Welcome to our tutorial on how to edit your number on Instagram. Whether you've changed your phone number or simply want to update your contact information, this step-by-step guide will show you how to easily edit your number on Instagram. To begin, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Once on your profile page, tap on the Edit Profile option. Scroll down until you see the Contact Options section. Here you'll find the phone icon. Tap on it to edit your phone number. Enter your new phone number in the provided field. Double-check to ensure that the number is correct before proceeding. After entering your new number, tap the check icon located at the top right corner of the screen to save your changes. And that's it. Your number has been successfully updated on Instagram. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to edit your number on Instagram. We hope this guide was helpful and that you're now able to easily update your contact information on the platform. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, happy editing.